Welcome to Pinky's Trains. Today I'm going to talk about how to change the volume on a LionChief remote and a LionChief Plus remote because I had a hard time, finding this out online. Luckily, some people knew, but I figured out. Let me make a video. Let's start with the LionChief that was produced about after 2017. This Mickey Mouse. I got in a set, and this has Bluetooth, so you can, use the app. But I'm going to show you how to use the remote, and all you do. Well, let's listen to the sounds first. It's hard to hear, right? So we just hold this speaker button, turn it up. See it work? Oh, it's this way. There we go. And I turn it up. So let's turn that back down. Yep. All right. So that's how you do that. Again, with the modern LionChiefs, they do have Bluetooth on board. Now, let's put this to the side. And I just did a recent video on this Lionel Plus RS3 locomotive. I just did a video on it. I had a axle gear that was broken. I replaced, and I couldn't figure out how to change the volume. Apparently, this engine was 2014, and Lionel, when they first came out with LionChief back in 2013, they did not have Bluetooth on board. I did not know that. I thought all Lionels had Bluetooth. So this remote is nothing more than the RC remote. So if you lose this remote, you can only run this conventionally, because you can't use a universal remote, I believe. Somebody write in the comments if I'm wrong on that, but I believe this is the only remote. And with the Mickey Mouse remote, you hold on to this announcement button. With the older remotes, you have to hold down both these buttons, then turn the dial left or right. So if you can hear it now, not that loud. Let's press this, and after 3 seconds, this red dot will glow here. See? There we go. Look at that. Now that. Oh. Be careful, it doesn't go away on you. And here you go. A little better. Can even make it a little louder. Make sure that blinks. There we go. Oh. Okay. Not bad. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, LionChief came out in 2013. LionChief Plus came out in 2014, And about 2017, the regular LionChief with Bluetooth came out. Then after 2018, the LionChief Plus 2.0 came out, and with that engine, you can run it with Legacy and with the Legacy base and stuff, and the app, of course. I do not have that one. When I bought this on eBay years ago, I thought I bought that one, the 2.0, but boy, was I wrong. But that's okay, because this is a learning experience. Is what the hobby is all about. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, and leave comments. I would love to read them. Thank you very much.